Okay, Cheryl, this is a quick message for you. We are on the development domain right now where I have created that message. It's going to be posted into Facebook, and so I'm going to log in to there. So first of all, I will log into there and put the CAPTCHA code in. Okay, and I'm just going to go to the dashboard and then the posts, and there's a bunch of updates on plugins that should be done on the site here, and I'm not going to do that now. You'll have to do that in the future. Anyway, this is the post that we're talking about right here. This site is live now. Welcome. So I'm just going to open it up and it already has the featured image set for it already, which is in your media library. Okay, so this image is already in there if you want to use it again. Another post at newindiakinesia.com by Cheryl. Now, when you see the post, here it is in the visual format right here. Okay, what you see is what you get. But when you go to the text format, that's what you can copy that goes directly into the post that's going to be on the other main domain. Now that's here. You'll notice I got this set up so that this website uses cookies, and you just got to press this once, and then that allows you to log in. And I'm going to log into the main site now, you see, which is newindiakinesia.com, and put the CAPTCHA code in here. And now I should be logged in. And notice on the other site here, the message or the post's title or subject line is "This site is now live. Welcome." So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that into the computer's memory by copying it. You can do Control-C if you're on your laptop, and that now that it's in the memory of the computer, now when I go over here I can either go to Dashboard or I can just go to New. I'm just going to go to New Post. Now we're on the new domain, right? The main top level domain. And the new post, I'm going to go Paste or Control-V. So that copies the subject line here. Now we want to go over here. By the way, in this we got to make sure that this is on text. Okay, so I'm going to put that on text. Go back over here, development domain, you see, and now I'm just going to select all of this. I'm going to go Control-C, so we have all that copied, and then click the left side of the button, the left mouse button there, so that you can see the cursor flashing. This is why it's easier to do on a computer versus a cell phone anyway. But then I go Control-V, and it is ready to publish, except the only thing that isn't set is the featured image right here. Now that featured image is on the development server, and it's not on the main server here. So I think I'm going to have to find it on my computer. So I'm going to select the image. Oh, maybe I have it here. Yes, it is another post right there. Okay, so I'm going to select that as your featured image. Set the featured image. Okay. And it is now set, and the only thing that hasn't been done is it hasn't been published. So now I make sure that this is in the news category, which actually it comes up as default. If you make it a video, then it's a video or audio here, but it also, if you don't check this, it comes to the it makes it in the news category by default. now when you push the publish button, excuse me, that will be published on the new domain. And in a second here, once it's published, I will show you what it looks like, because you want to view the post. So I'm going to right click on that. I'm going to open it up into a new window, and this is the new post that's on the new domain. Okay, so that's exactly what that post is going to look like right here. The site is now live. Welcome. Okay, and people can share it. Okay, when everybody else shares it, they just click this button if somebody else is sharing it, and it's just going to go into their main part of their page, which is coming up as my page is, set as James Melville, and then it's going to be a post, and you post it to the page. But I'm not just sharing it here. I'm going to share it on your your page, which is the New Wine Diaconia Facebook page. So what I need to do is actually take this URL that has been created here now and select it. So I'm going to select it all, and then when it's highlighted, I can go Control C or copy, and then over here I want to go, and when I'm mentioning something on here, I can go Control Paste or Control V, and now it's going to put that onto your Facebook page. And since you said that you approved this message, it's going to come from me because I'm doing the posting here, because I'm the one logged in. So I'm going to put a little message on the top of it saying, Cheryl asked me to post this for her. And I'm just going to go ahead and post it. Alright, just like you do on any other your other posts when it has a video in it. That's why this message that you have in the text is very important, because this is what shows up on the site here. And it's going to come up that it's posted by the website creator. Whereas if you do it when you're logged in, it will come up as your post. In fact, you know what? Let's just do this. I'll back out of this by leaving this page. And I want to show you actually in the post how you can edit who has been created by, and so that will come up as your name. So I'm going to switch this back to what the visual post will look like and update it. And now the post will be in all the posts. Okay. Remember, this is the top level domain now, so it's actually live on the site. This site is now live, and I'm going to push on Quick Edit right here. And you notice how the author's name right here is what I've got it set to, but I can change it to you. So I'm going to change it to you right here. I'm going to update that. And then, what can I do? I can actually sign in this into your Facebook maybe as you, or no, I'll just leave it on that, just posting it on your page from the site as it's sharing it. Okay, so now again I'll go to the page itself, and I'll just refresh that by putting it up here again so that it's a refreshed, the author is refreshed on it, and now it's from you, about the author, right? You see, it's got you as the author, not me. So now I'm going to just share this on your site by going Control Copy on the URL and looking for your page, which is New Wine Diaconia. Come on now, right here. And looking for that top spot here. Write something And I'll just paste it now from my computer. And there it is. And it's still coming up as by the website creator. Oh well. I'm gonna well, I know the reason why that's happening. And this is the reason. Okay, in the post, if you edit the post now, okay, this is what sets the information on Facebook, what the image shows up as, and the author and everything is inside of the editor. Okay, for this post, look for the social settings and validate. So when you push the validate button and then you open the validate graph here, I'm going to fetch the new scrape information for this post, and it will fetch it, and it should be the correct picture, which it is in there. And now the author should be you. So I'm going to close that page, and again I'm going to vacate this page by getting out of it, and look for your page again. New Wine Diakonia. I'm on your page again. This is the post, exactly this URL I want to copy, so I'm highlighting it, going Control C to put it into the computer's memory. I go over to your Facebook page, and where it says write something on this page, Control V, which actually puts it there, and it's still coming up, website creator. Go figure. Anyways, okay, when you make it up, you won't have that problem anyway, because you're going to be making up the post. Since I made it up, I will put a little comment in here. There we go. Cheryl asked me to post this here for her for the first time. So that will go in there. And now I'm going to push post. Now that will put that on your Facebook page. And it will actually show up on your live feed and in your name as well, because it ends up going there as well as being on this page. It should have showed up on this page. Maybe it showed up on my page. Let's see what happened. Yes, it did. Because I should have showed up on, I should have been signed in as you in order to do that. So I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete this post and sign in as you. Okay, so let's see if I can do that. No, I'm gonna have to pause the video. Okay, back again. I'm just going to be copying this URL. I signed in as you, Cheryl, into your Facebook, and now I'm going to post it on the Facebook account as you. So I'm signed into you there. I don't want to do that. I want to copy that that post again. This is the URL I'm copying, and I'm going to copy it there. And now it says it's by Cheryl, and that will go on your page as you. So I'm not saying that it was from me. So I'm going to publish it. There we go. Now it will show up in your page because it was you who actually posted it. Okay, so that's as easy as it is getting it onto your post. You can actually set that to pin to the top, so it stays at the top of your page there if you want. so that people will see that when they first come in.